Hi, my name is Nate with Horner Lighting, and today I'm going to show you our new food grade task light fixture. This is a wash down, wet location fixture that's IP69 rated and NSF certified. This is great for any food processing facilities or any industrial environment. This comes in a 4-foot 36 watt fixture and also comes in a 2-foot 20 watt fixture. This fixture has a polycarbonate lens for even light distribution. It has stainless steel end caps with sealed silicone gaskets, as well as stainless steel clips and screws. It also has a breathable vent plug to minimize condensation. So this fixture can be either surface mounted or pendant mounted. Another great feature is using the stainless steel clips, you're able to point the fixture in the desired direction, and this easily snaps back into place, and here is where you would either surface mount it or pendant mount it. This fixture is rated for over 50,000 hours and comes with a 5-year warranty. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at hornerlighting.com. Thanks for listening.